COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2 is a disease caused by the coronavirus, also termed as coronavirus disease. The first case of this coronavirus disease popped out in the first week of December 2019 in a seafood market in the Wuhan city of South China. This seafood market of Wuhan, where all kinds of meat and animal products are sold, came to be known as the epicenter of the COVID-19 disease. Dr. Li Wenliang of China was the first person to confirm that it's a novel virus and had not been seen in humans before. When this information spread all over China, he was arrested by the Chinese government on charges of spreading rumors among the people. After a few days, this doctor got infected by the coronavirus and eventually passed away. On 11th March 2020, coronavirus was declared as a global pandemic by the World Health Organization. The first cases of COVID-19 in India were reported in the towns of Kerala among 3 Indian medical students who had returned from Wuhan. On 24th March, PM Narendra Modi announced that India would be placed under a total lockdown for at least 3 weeks. The 2020 lockdown left tens of millions of migrant workers unemployed. They thus decided to walk hundreds of kilometers to go back to their native villages. A second wave beginning in March 2021 was much larger than the first, with shortages of vaccines, hospital beds, oxygen cylinders and other medicine in parts of the country. India began its vaccination program on 16th January 2021 and has authorized British Oxford Covishield, the Indian Covaxin and the Russian Sputnik V vaccine for emergency use. Till now, only 2% of India's 1.4 billion people have been fully inoculated. To prevent the spread of COVID-19, clean your hands often, maintain social distancing, wear a mask, stay home if you feel unwell, get vaccinated at the right time. A great salute to all these corona warriors. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.